Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. They are the guardians of the internet, proactively identifying vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to establish your own hacking lab. It is a safe and controlled environment where you can learn and experiment with ethical hacking techniques. Remember, ethical hacking is about responsible disclosure and making the internet a safer place. Always operate within legal and ethical boundaries. This guide is your first step towards an exciting journey into the world of ethical hacking. Let's get started. Your personal cybersecurity playground. A hacking lab is a controlled environment where you can safely experiment with hacking techniques. Think of it as your personal cybersecurity playground. It's a place where you can test your skills without the risk of causing real-world damage. For beginners, we recommend starting with a virtual hacking lab. Virtual labs are easier to set up and manage than physical labs. They offer a high level of flexibility and control. You can create and destroy virtual machines with ease, allowing you to experiment with different operating systems and software configurations. This guide will focus on setting up a virtual hacking lab, providing you with a solid foundation for your ethical hacking journey. To set up a virtual hacking lab, you'll need a hypervisor. A hypervisor is an essential tool in the world of virtualization, allowing you to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical computer. This is particularly useful for cybersecurity professionals, developers, and IT enthusiasts who need to test software in different environments without the need for multiple physical devices. A hypervisor is a software that allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. This means you can have Windows, Linux, and other operating systems running simultaneously, each in its own isolated environment. This isolation is crucial for testing and development, as it ensures that any issues in one virtual machine do not affect the others. Think of it as a virtual machine manager. It allocates resources such as CPU, memory, and storage to each virtual machine, ensuring they operate smoothly. This management capability is what makes hypervisors so powerful and versatile. There are many different hypervisors available, but we recommend either VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player for beginners. Both of these options are user-friendly and provide a good balance of features and performance. VirtualBox is a free and open-source hypervisor that is known for its user-friendliness. It supports a wide range of guest operating systems and is regularly updated by a large community of developers. This makes it a reliable choice for those new to virtualization. It is a great option for beginners who are just starting out with virtualization. The interface is intuitive, and there are plenty of tutorials and resources available online to help you get started. Whether you're setting up a simple test environment or a more complex lab, VirtualBox has you covered. VMware Workstation Player is another popular hypervisor that offers more advanced features than VirtualBox. It is known for its robust performance and extensive support for different operating systems and configurations. This makes it a preferred choice for more experienced users who need additional capabilities. It is a paid software, but it offers a free trial for personal use. This allows you to explore its features and see if it meets your needs before committing to a purchase. The free trial is a great way to get a feel for the software and determine if it's the right fit for your virtual lab setup. Choose the hypervisor that best suits your needs and technical proficiency. Both VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player have their own strengths, so consider what features are most important to you. Whether you prioritize ease of use, advanced features, or community support, there's a hypervisor out there that will help you build the perfect virtual hacking lab. Once you've chosen a hypervisor, the next step is to download and install it on your system. Both VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player have straightforward installation processes. Simply download the appropriate installation file for your operating system from their respective websites and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Make sure to select the default settings during the installation process, unless you have specific requirements. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to start creating your virtual hacking lab. Section 5. Unleashing Kali Linux, your hacking arsenal. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution that is specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes pre-installed with a wide range of hacking tools and utilities, making it an essential tool for any ethical hacker. To use Kali Linux in your virtual hacking lab, you'll need to download the ISO image from the official Kali Linux website. Choose the appropriate ISO image for your system architecture, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Once the download is complete, you can create a new virtual machine in your hypervisor and install Kali Linux using the downloaded ISO image. Section 6. Network Security, Shielding Your Lab. Network security is crucial when setting up a hacking lab. You don't want your virtual machines to be accessible from the outside world, as this could expose them to attacks. To isolate your virtual lab from your host machine and the internet, you should configure your hypervisor to use a NAT, or Network Address Translation Network. NAT allows your virtual machines to share your host machine's internet connection while remaining hidden from the outside world. This provides a secure environment for you to practice your hacking skills without putting your own network at risk. Section 7. Vulnerable machines, your practice targets. Now that you have a secure virtual hacking lab set up with Kali Linux, you need some targets to practice your hacking skills on. These targets will help you understand real-world scenarios and improve your penetration testing abilities. This is where vulnerable machines come in. Vulnerable machines are essential for honing your skills because they simulate real-world systems with known weaknesses. Vulnerable machines are virtual machines that have been intentionally configured with security vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities can range from outdated software to misconfigured settings, providing a variety of challenges. They are designed to be exploited as part of ethical hacking exercises. By practicing on these machines, you can learn how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in a controlled environment. You can find vulnerable machines from various online repositories, such as VulnHub. VulnHub is a popular platform that offers a wide range of vulnerable machines for different skill levels. VulnHub offers a wide range of vulnerable machines, from beginner-friendly to advanced. This allows you to start with simpler challenges and gradually move on to more complex ones as your skills improve. Download a vulnerable machine that interests you and import it into your hypervisor. This process is straightforward and usually involves just a few steps. You can then use the hacking tools available in Kali Linux to try and exploit the vulnerabilities present in the vulnerable machine. Tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and Burp Suite are commonly used for these exercises. As you work through these exercises, make sure to document your findings. Keeping detailed notes will help you understand what worked, what didn't, and why. This practice is crucial for developing a methodical approach to penetration testing. Additionally, consider collaborating with others. Joining online forums or local hacking groups can provide valuable insights and feedback. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can significantly accelerate your growth as an ethical hacker. Remember, the goal is to learn and improve. Celebrate your successes, but also take the time to understand your mistakes. Each challenge you overcome brings you one step closer to becoming a proficient ethical hacker. Section 8. Essential Tools, Sharpening Your Hacking Skills. In this section, we will delve into the critical tools that every aspiring hacker should have in their arsenal. These tools are the backbone of any successful hacking endeavor, and will significantly enhance your ability to perform various tasks efficiently and effectively. While Kali Linux comes with a wide range of hacking tools, there are a few essential tools that you should be familiar with. Kali Linux is a powerful operating system designed specifically for penetration testing and security research. It includes hundreds of pre-installed tools that can be used for different phases of hacking, from information gathering to final exploitation. These tools will help you to perform a variety of hacking tasks, from reconnaissance to exploitation. Reconnaissance involves gathering information about your target, which is a crucial first step in any hacking attempt. Exploitation, on the other hand, is the process of taking advantage of vulnerabilities in the target system to gain unauthorized access or control. Some essential hacking tools include: these tools are indispensable for anyone serious about hacking and cybersecurity. They provide the functionality needed to uncover vulnerabilities, test security measures, and understand the inner workings of networks and systems. Nmap, a powerful port scanner that can be used to identify open ports and services running on a target system. Nmap is widely used for network discovery and security auditing. It helps in creating a map of the network, which is essential for understanding the structure and potential weak points of the target. Metasploit Framework, a penetration testing framework that provides a collection of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules that can be used to exploit vulnerabilities in target systems. Metasploit is a versatile tool that allows hackers to simulate real-world attacks to test the security of systems. It is an essential tool for both offensive and defensive security professionals. Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer that can be used to capture and analyze network traffic. Wireshark is invaluable for diagnosing network issues and understanding the data flow within a network. It allows you to see the details of network packets, which can be crucial for identifying suspicious activity or troubleshooting network problems. And Burp Suite, a web application security testing tool that can be used to intercept, inspect, and modify web traffic. Burp Suite is essential for testing the security of web applications. It allows you to find and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications, ensuring that they are secure against potential attacks. By mastering these tools, you will be well equipped to tackle a wide range of hacking challenges and improve your overall cybersecurity skills. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey into ethical hacking begins. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your own virtual hacking lab and are now ready to embark on your journey into the exciting world of ethical hacking. Remember to always practice ethical hacking within legal and ethical boundaries. Use your newfound skills responsibly and help make the internet a safer place. As you delve deeper into ethical hacking, you'll discover a vast and ever-evolving field. Continuously update your knowledge, explore new tools and techniques, and connect with the ethical hacking community to stay ahead of the curve. Happy hacking!